Hi there, in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to force a check for app updates on the Mac App Store. You may want to do this if you have an update for an app that isn't showing that you know has an update available, or you just want to double check that there isn't any updates to install in the Mac App Store, as it can be a little bit iffy for showing updates. To begin with, open the Mac App Store by going to the Apple icon in the menu bar and clicking on App Store. You can also get to it via Spotlight or through the Applications folder in Finder. Once it's open, click on Updates. It's showing some updates as I've set it to not install updates automatically, but I'm sure there's an update available to OneDrive that isn't showing. So to do a force check for any updates, you can either click on Store in the menu bar and then click on Reload Page, or you can press Command and R on your keyboard. Both do exactly the same thing. I recommend doing this a few times with a couple of seconds in between each check. You can now see that there's an update showing for OneDrive. To install it and any other updates, just click on Update All. Once it's done, just reload the page a few times, and if nothing shows up, then there's no more updates available. And that's it for this video. If you got value out of it, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to know when I release another video. If you would like to see some more macOS tips and tutorials like this, I have a playlist with more here on the left, and on the right, there's a video that YouTube thinks you might like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.